In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to cancel SuperGrok free trial. Let's get started. The cancellation process depends on where you subscribe, so let's break it down step by step. First, if you have subscribed on an iPhone, open the Settings app on your device. Click on the Apple ID given at the very top, navigate to the option Subscription. From the list, find SuperGrok, tap on it and select Cancel Free Trial or Cancel Subscription. Confirm your choice and you are done. This stops auto-renewal immediately. If you're signed up on Android, open Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscription, then Subscription, find SuperGrok in List, tap it and hit Cancel Subscription. Then follow the prompts to confirm. If you subscribe through the web, go to your SuperGrok or Grok account page, log in and head to Settings or Billing. You will see an option to manage your subscription. Click Cancel Plan and confirm the cancellation. Now here's something important. Even after you cancel the free trial, you'll usually still keep access until the trial period ends, but you won't be charged once it expires, and that's it. That's how you can cancel your SuperGrok free trial before being billed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.